Yogi Clan, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. Today, I want to show you the best thing I have ever added to this garage. Now, I've been, as you can see with how messy my garage is, a lot of things I've added to my garage. But this, by far, is the best thing. And I got this idea actually from another YouTuber. If you're familiar with a fella named Wrangler Star, we won't hold it against him that he's on the West Coast, on the left coast. But hey, the idea came from him, and I thought, you know, I could really use that here in the shop while I'm working on motorcycles. I think that's a good idea. Let me try that out and see what I like. Well, I really liked it, so I wanted to bring it to you just as a quick little tip. I was hoping to push out a video this week of replacing all the guts and the fuel pump and everything from inside this tank and getting Miss Piggy back on the road again. I put new fuel pump in there, new gas lines in there. I put new rocker box cover gaskets in. I put new plugs on it, new wires on it. I redid the whole front on the bike, and I recorded it all. And I edited it all too. All I needed to do was put a voiceover on it when I accidentally deleted the footage, and was one of those deals where you said, "Are you sure you want to delete? Because this is too big to go to recycle. This will delete it permanently. Are you sure?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm sure. That video's edited, already done." Click. And then about 2 minutes later, I realized, yeah, that video's edited, but I never finished it and put a voiceover on it. So all that footage is gone. Alas, gone. So I thought today I would take a minute and just show you what I think is by far the best idea that I have added to Yogi Cycle Service. You may be, and it only cost me $30 too. You may be thinking, well, Yogi, what is it? Is it a tool? No. Is it another motorcycle? I wish. But like I said, it's only $30. And you know, for years that I've been wrenching on cars, wrenching on motorcycles, you know, you put the grungiest clothes you have on because, you know, dirt, for some miraculous reason, I don't know how it happens, but it goes from here to like all over your clothes. Like all of a sudden I look down at my jeans and there's dirt on them. Well, how the heck did that get there? Like what kind of magic thing took it from my hands to my jeans? Because I know I never touched my jeans. Yet, there it is. So, in an effort to maybe not necessarily save my clothes, but you know, if I want to wash these jeans and wear them to work this week, then I don't want them to have grease stains all over them. So, I needed to figure out a way to protect them. So, I went on to Amazon. Didn't buy the one that Wrangler Star used because his things are kind of expensive. Remember, Yogi Cycle Service was created about how to work on bikes and be on a budget. But I found this one. It is a waxed apron is what it is, and this one is made by Hudson. So let me show you what we got. This is the apron here. It has two grommets on the top to hold this strap. Down on the side are two grommets here where you can pull this strap, it crosses over your back, and then you kind of tie it around your back, right? So let me show you how this works. And it's got a little cross thing for where it goes in your back. So basically, you're just gonna put one arm through either side, put your head through, take the straps, center it up, and tie them off in the back. And if I can move this camera, you can see that I'm covered all the way down to about my knees. Covered. It's got pockets for your hands, pockets right here for tools, and a pocket up here for tools, and a little pocket here for a pencil. You see that pencil or pen or whatever you want to put in there, a little pocket here, hand pockets on it, and then pockets in the front where you can put tools in. So it's got room to save your tools. It covers everything up so that when I'm sitting, my pants are covered. And if I get some kind of tool and you know, I need to work on a part, we're just gonna use my camera bag as an example. If I'm sitting here working on a part on my lap, it's not getting my jeans all dirty as if I took the part like I used to and just set them here on my jeans. Instead, my legs are covered and my pants are gonna stay clean. So I don't know if you're like me and tired of trashing your clothes, but I figured getting a apron, although it may be a little weird, a little funky, you may think, oh, I'm not making biscuits, Yogi, I'm working on motorcycles. I don't need an apron like my wife has. I don't care what you think. I think it's an awesome addition to this garage here, and it's gonna keep my clothes from looking trashy like what's been happening for years now. So I just thought I would bring this to you. Quick little video made by Hudson Durable Goods. I'll post up some links to Amazon on the comments below and in the body of the video, and you can go out and get yourself one too if you want it. It's only 28 bucks. It's worth every penny. It is nice, thick. I mean, it's really good, thick, heavy material. It's like canvas. It's basically a waxed canvas is what it is. It's like a Carhartt jacket type material, like Carhartt, thick Carhartt winter gear is pretty much what it's like. And it's open on the back, the string, pockets. I just see this servicing a lot of use as I work on it. So you'll see this in upcoming videos as we're wrenching. Like I said, unfortunately, I got Miss Piggy fixed back on the road. That video footage is gone. But we still have the Interstate behind us we need to finish, and the Vulcan Nomad over there we need to finish. So we're going to be working on that probably over the next few months and trying to get both of those bikes, despite their deplorable condition, back on the road. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you for joining today. Pick you up an apron. You'll be happy you did. Trust me, and your clothes, and if your wife does your wash, she'll be happy you did too. All right, Yogi Clan. Have an awesome day. I'll catch you on the next one. Love you guys. Peace.